everyone! So, another Bangkok haul ng mga medicines or herbal medicines and foods. So, ito, para to siyang banyus sa Bisaya, but it's a herbal balm. So, sa mga kasukasuan at arthritis, yung mga ganon. But it's actually, it's like an effervescent oil, yung ganon sa Pilipinas ka. So, it's a balm, guys. So, hindi siya yung oil na igaganon mo lang siya. Kasi para siyang paste. Ganon. So, mabibili mo to actually, mas mura to sa Chatuchak. Kaso nga, limited lang yung time namin dito sa Bangkok. So, we bought it in Platinum Mall lang din. So, lahat talaga nandun na sa Platinum Mall. So, parang may pharmacy section sila doon wherein mabibili nyo to. At beside that one, or opposite side naman doon is may mga goodies sila na pangpasalubong. So, it's the green one. And, since hirap akong matulog because of shifting yung trabaho natin. So, we have this Sleep Balm Lavender. So, nang nakita ko to, late ko nang nakita yung malaking size. So, ang maliit lang to. But, I think it's okay because you just put it in your forehead and in your nose to help you sleep. Kasi lavender talaga help you to sleep. Para sa akin, isa siya sa nakakatulong para makatulog ka ng maayos aside sa mga mist, sleeping mist na kailangan, or I took as well vitamin D3 to help me sleep. So other than that, ang sikat nito sa Bangkok, mga artista gumagamit din ito. So we have this inhaler. May iba-iba actually tong brand na, but this is the famous one when you go to Bangkok. So I always have this one usually. I'm also using effervescent oil. Not effervescent pala, yung white flower. Yes, from Philippines. So I always have this and that one. And my friend who just came from Bangkok also gave me this one. So I'm here in Bangkok right now. So we're buying with my fiancé for his family as well. He's buying a lot actually. He's the one who bought this. And he's just giving it to my family as well. So thank you so much. So I got one for my family. So, hati-hatiin na lang yan. And the rest is for his family naman. So, it's really good kasi nakakatulong siya sa mga kasukasuan hindi. Especially if feeling mo mahihimatay ka na sa pagod. It helps a lot. Kasi it's an inhaler. At the same time, on the opposite side naman, inhaler dito na side, and dito naman may oil siya. So, pwede mong ilagay sa forehead mo, sa ilong mo, yung gano'n. And this one, kung alam nyo yung Salon Pass, nabulol na tayo. So, this is like Salon Pass, pero mas matapang ang effect nito. So, nagamit na to ng partner ko. So, malaking pad siya like this one. So, hatiin nyo na lang with scissor. And super effective niya, especially kung may mga lamig sa katawan mo. Sometimes it radiates from one part of your body to another. Yes, nakakatulong ang Salon Pass, but this one, i-try nyo guys kasi to siya parang hot and spicy. No, hot siya. Ganun. Pero, hindi ko pa to na-try, but I usually like to have cool one or the menthol one. So, ito yung binili niya sa akin nung pinapili niya ako. But I tried this one and yes, akala ko lang siya, nag-work lang siya for ilang hours lang, but hours talaga, hindi lang 2 to 3 hours, it took some time. At kahit naligo na ako, hindi pa siya natanggal. Grabe talaga yung product ng Thailand. So pag pumunta kayo guys, pumili kayo ng isa or dalawang pack nito kasi madami naman siya at pwede nyong hati-hatiin. Alright, and then let's go now to the goodies. So ito, mahilig din talaga ako sa mga chicken skin. But sa Middle East kasi iba siya. Ito talaga masarap para sa akin kulang lang ako ng suka. Yes, masarap siya especially kung nagiinuman kayo. Yung ganon. So, may iba-iba to siyang flavor but ang pinili ko is yung Korean style sauce. Yung may spicy, yung may sili. Ayan. So, masarap siya. Actually, maliit lang ang laman nito. May malaking size to but ito lang yung binili ko guys. So, masarap siya para sa akin. Depende sa taste nyo. Kasi sa partner ko ayaw niya. Mas gusto niya yung sa Middle East. Ako naman, bumili ako ng Tom Yum. It's good for making Tom Yum soup. So, ito lang ang binili ko. Well, see, they say it's a set na, pero kailangan ko pang bumili ng mga ricados kasi parang paste lang to guys. Na the ingredients of Tom Yum is with and eat na. Actually, hindi ko natikman ang tom yum dito kasi ibang food yung tinikman ko dito. But still, it's you know, Thailand food. Bangkok, Thailand food. So, we'll see. And then, yes, almonds. If mahilig kayo, so bumili din yung partner ko. It's not for me, it's for him. So, United Almonds. So, may flavor actually siya na, I think chocolate milk yung pinili niya. Pero meron din doon yung milk chocolate. Okay, guys. And then, meron din silang My Chewy Milk Candy Mango. Ayan. So, kung may dried mango sa Pilipinas, actually dito meron din. But, ang difference lang talaga kasi is, yung mangga dito super sweet talaga din. So, mango sticky rice is famous here. Kaya madami din silang mango. Kasi ang tamis din talaga ng mango dito sa Thailand, guys. So, this one. It's a good one. Lahat ng products naman dito is a good one eh. Uy, yogurt. Uy, first time to ha. Uy, tapos ang lambot niya. Wow. So, I think this is a good one. Yung yogurt na to. Pero ang hilig nito kasi, yung mga bata, tsaka yung fiancé ko din. So, bumili siya nito. I think this is for him. Right? Para sa kanya to. Yan, madami, no? And this one, I haven't tried it, but it's a squid. Sabi nila masarap daw to, so hindi ko pa na-try. Mahilig tayo sa mga seafood, but may iba kasing mga seafood na ginagawang parang chips na hindi ko bet din. But this one, hopefully, it's a good one. But I think it's a good one kasi nung bumibili kami, madaming bumibili nito. So, we'll see, guys. So, yun yung mga stuff or mga herbal at saka foodies na mga pasalubong / sa atin din nakakainin na nabili namin dito. So, huwag kalimutang magdala at magbili ng kung ano-ano talaga at mag-search. Especially ito, guys. Yung mga ointment, yung mga inhaler, it's a must talaga, especially if you are getting younger. So, that's it for now, guys. So, enjoy Bangkok if you're having one and don't forget to shop and enjoy. Bye, everyone!